Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to block someone on Google Maps. Google Maps has evolved into a social and collaborative tool, allowing users to share locations, follow local guides, and exchange reviews. However, sometimes you may encounter spam, harassment, or simply want to cut contact. The good news, you can block someone on Google Maps, especially if they interacted with your reviews or shared their location. Now let's follow these simple steps in order to block someone on Google Maps. The first step is if they shared their location with you, open Google Maps by going to maps.google.com on your web browser if you're using your computer, or just go to Google Maps if you're using application if you're using your mobile device. Now after you open Google Maps, tap on your profile photo here, or you can click on the three horizontal lines and go to location sharing. Here you're gonna see the person's name and tap on it. As you can see, I didn't share my location with anyone, but you're gonna see it here. You'll see friends here when they share their location with you. This place right here. Tap more onto three dots and then block once you see your friend or the person that shared their location with you. Click on the three dots and then click on block. Now from reviews or contributors, if someone is posting inappropriate comments on your reviews, tap their name to view their Google profile and tap the three dots and select block user. Now from Google Contacts, which is on Android, you can go to the Contacts app and tap the person's contacts card and tap more, then tap block contacts. Blocking someone on Maps prevents them from seeing your location, messaging you via Maps, and interacting with your public contributions. Blocking someone in Google Maps gives you peace of mind and control over who interacts with your map activities or sees your locations. Whether it's privacy concern or unwanted attention, this feature empowers you to safeguard your personal space.